Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about how to find middle C on the keyboard. So first, we found all the C's. C number 1, C number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8. So there's 8 C's in the piano for review, 8 octaves. And so now what you're going to do is you're going to actually try to find the 4th C. That is the middle C that you need to find. So go all the way to the 4th C. Ready? C number 1, C number 2, C number 3, C number 4. This is middle C right here. So, and it's right in the middle of the keyboard. It splits the treble and the bass clefs together in sheet music. So that's where it is. So the best way to find it is remember that it's C number 4 out of 8 C's on a full-size piano. And you should be good. And also remember that the C is to the left of a group of 2 black notes. Okay? So if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me a comment or question and I will get back to you. And I'll see you guys in the next video.